Hey guys, it's Rita, and if you like DIYs, Dollar Tree hauls, and all things on a budget, please hit that subscribe button. So today I'm bringing you a DIY, and it is in a collaboration called Galentine's Girls Just Want to Have Fun. This collab is hosted by Danielle with Pink Zebra the Unicorn Crafter, and her co-host is Nikki with Nikki's Hauls and Crafts. I will link these ladies' channels below in the description box. Please be sure to check them out. Also, please check out the other YouTubers who are participating in this collaboration today. Now let's get right to my DIY. So to begin, I'm going to use this card. I actually picked this up at Dollar Tree last year with the intention of doing this DIY and never got around to it. You'll also use a bottle that I just showed you, and I do have one of those little lights in the top of it. I'm just going to remove the bottle from this card, and then I will cut out the middle of it that says Love Potion, and I'll also remove the little tag. And now I'm removing the sticky things, I don't know what you call them, from the back. And I'll use Mod Podge to place this on the bottle. You will have to hold this down for a few minutes so it will adhere to the bottle. And now I'm going to use two of these hearts. I'll use the small pink one and one of the larger natural wood colored ones. I'm going to place the little tag on it that came off of the card that says Drink Me. I'm going to use a screwdriver to punch one hole in each heart so I can put a string through it to hang from the bottle. And this completes DIY number 1. We'll move right on to DIY number 2, and then I will display these for you. For this DIY, I'll be using this wooden heart. I'll also use some paper that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and a couple more of those wooden hearts. I'll also use a few Jenga blocks to create a stand. I'll use Mod Podge to attach the paper to the heart, and I'm going to do this on both sides. I'll be using the darker wood Jenga blocks. That way we do not have to paint them. And I'm just going to make a stand for the heart. And you'll see later in the video, I did have to tear it apart after I decided to put twine around the heart. The spacing wasn't large enough. And now I'm just going to use 2 more of these hearts. I'm going to paint them red. They do have the stickers on the back, but I'm going to use a little hot glue to attach them. And now I'll use this ribbon just to make a small bow to put at the top of the heart. I decided the heart needed something else, so I'm going to take this jute twine, and I believe this came from Walmart, and just place it all the way around the heart. And as you see here now, I can't fit the heart down into the stand, so I'm going to tear it apart and just make the spacing bigger. Okay, now on to the display. Okay guys, here it is, the 2 DIYs. These were really simple to do and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed these today. I'd like to thank Danielle for hosting, and thanks Nikki for co-hosting the Galentines Girls Just Want to Have Fun collab. Don't forget to check out their channels, as well as all the other videos that the other YouTubers have come up with today. Thanks guys for watching. Here's a scene in the dark. It's very hard to see, so I'm going to skip right back over to the light. But once again, thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you're not, remember, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video.